I'm Alyssa Gagarin. I'm a personal chef, fitness instructor, and personal trainer in New York City. I decided to take the nutrition school course because I have heard rave reviews of Keri Glassman and her expertise. I felt like I was under the wing of somebody who could guide me in whatever direction I decided to go within the nutrition world, and within that found such a supportive community in addition to a very thorough education. What I loved about the course and the teaching methods is that Keri does not give you a one-size-fits-all. Her approach is very much so working with an individual and finding what works best for that person and how you can help navigate that as a health coach, as a trainer, or whatever profession you're in. Keri is this radiant energy that is so contagious and inspiring to anyone who's around her. And to be able to catch a little bit of her energy and take that to my world and my clients is the best. I think anyone with a passion for wellness who wants to pursue this as a career should 100% go for it, because nothing can replace showing up for work every day knowing inside and out you're truly invested, and that is the most fulfilling feeling that you could ask for.